6.
Can't be, that's inside the room.
It's reading right, man, look.
Well, you're not reading it right.
5 meters, man. 4. What the hell? Oh my God. Oh, shit.
Give me the light.
There they go over there! Get them! Come on! Get them! Do something
You can't trust a guy like that playing that much Eddie Bauer.
No! Burke! Open its door! Burke, open it!
Motherfucker! Come on! Come on! You're gonna get it, baby! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, you bastard! Come on, you too! Oh, you want some of that? Fuck you! Fuck you!
Come on, let's go! It's locked!
Hey guys, this is Zero Cole. This is the M4A1 pulse rifle in all its glory. If you've ever seen Aliens, it's really fun. I made it functional in ways, like to reload it. So watch how I run the clip out. LEDs. It has haptic in the handle. You slap the bottom to put another clip in it. And then the grenade launcher. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The bottom comes off. It's all magnetic. There's a micro USB port in here. I put a charge board in it, so you can just plug it in as a LiPo battery built into it that I could change if something happened or it died. But this is for my brother. He has no idea I made this, and I worked on and off of all year. Like, I just got a print at the beginning of the year, and this is like the first like crazy thing, and it's been a huge learning process, but I really enjoyed it. So get ready to see more of this kind of stuff on this channel if you're into it, and showing you how you do it, and painting, and you'll learn with me. But yeah, it's cool. But Dan Lilligreen on Instagram is who makes. He has a Patreon. He is who made the model of this for 3D printing. Super helpful guy from England. Helped me many times through Messenger with just questions of things and how stuff went together that wasn't making sense. And another guy's T-Ramp on Facebook made the electronic kit for this. Everything's custom put into this. Don't expect to build one of these and you get instructions and whatever. This is totally custom, putting triggers in, figuring out how they work, finding springs to make things work. I put real metal screws, film accurate screws, at all the points that have screws, and painted them. So it's that much more realistic. So view the other side so I don't think I'm... But let's go do it. I hope everyone has a really happy holiday, and I hope to hear back in the comments what you guys think about this. I hope I do okay with this video. I'm not real good at this stuff, but I think it'll be funny anyways. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, there'll be more 3D print props, statue paints. I really enjoy the painting and stuff, so I'll catch you guys later. Stay safe. Zero Cool out.